The organizers of the annual ZimFest event in the United Kingdom are under increasing scrutiny for failing to uphold basic standards of public decency and lawfulness during the just ended festival. Sanapinda mashoko aya ringotendera pa social media aiwa panguva ine vanhu vanyatsoona kuti aiwa ZimFest kwakavhurwa hombe noda kwokuti aiwa vanhu vanyatsoona kuti kwava kune disorder and kune zvimwe zvinhu zvaexposwa zvakaita sana public nudity and vamwe vanhu vangakuya vachikomenda vachiti aiwa there were feces all over. Not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Zvamukona in the pictures aiwa throughout the video panapa mudanyo kwamchinzi videographic and eyewitness evidence review festival attendees engaging in drunken behavior, public urination, littering, and wearing highly revealing outfits that clearly breach UK public decency law. Such conduct is not only an embarrassment to the Zimbabwean community, but may also amount to criminal offences in the UK, where strict courts govern public behavior and dress. According to UK law, indecent exposure in public spaces is a punishable offence. Similarly, acts such as public urination and excessive littering can lead to fines or even prosecution. The 3,000 fine reportedly slapped on the event organizers after 15 cases of indecent exposure were recorded in a testament to the severity of the infractions committed. Back home, Zimbabweans are expressing outrage and disappointment. Many now view the event as a platform promoting more decadence rather than cultural celebrations. What was meant to be a proud showcase of Zimbabwean identity is instead drawn criticism for normalizing behavior that undermines the values we hold dear as a people. As a media organization with a moral responsibility to promote positive Zimbabwean values, both at home and abroad, we are compelled to express concern over shocking scenes in public disorder, nudity, and indecent exposure that have surfaced on social media. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva ino vanhu vaingonzwa kuti ZimFest vamwe vachiti ZimFest kwaimboitwa nezveko chii zvaimboitika, but panguva ino aiwa kuratidza kuti kwakune drama roga roga. Pinda comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pezviitiko izvi. Pinda comment section medu musaona subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.